In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Advanced Tables plugin. If you've ever tried to manage Markdown tables in Obsidian, you know they can get messy fast. This plugin makes creating, formatting, and editing tables much easier, so you can stay focused on your notes instead of wrestling with pipes and alignment. Start by opening Obsidian on your computer. Make sure you're in the vault where you want to use tables. Then look to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to Community Plugins. This is where you can discover and add functionality created by the community to extend Obsidian. Next, click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. In the search bar, type Advanced Tables. You should see the plugin appear in the results. Open its page to review the description if you'd like, then click Install. Once the installation finishes, click Enable. That turns the plugin on for your current vault, so it's ready to use right away. Now return to a note where you want to work with a table. You can open an existing note that already has a markdown table, or create a new note and type one out. The plugin enhances the standard markdown experience by keeping your pipes aligned, auto-formatting the table as you type, and making it much easier to manage columns and rows. For alignment, you can quickly set columns to left, center, or right. If you prefer to align with Markdown syntax, the plugin will keep everything neat. If you use commands or shortcuts, it will update the formatting for you. Moving content is straightforward as well. You can shift rows up or down and reorder columns without breaking the table structure, which is incredibly helpful for reorganizing data on the fly. Editing becomes more fluid too. As you add or delete rows and columns, spacing and pipes stay consistent, so the table remains readable in plain text. If you need to sort a table by a specific column, the plugin provides sorting tools to arrange your data alphabetically or numerically. This is great for task lists, inventories, or any structured information. Under miscellaneous options, you'll find quality of life features like auto-expanding columns, quick insert of separator lines, and commands that speed up common actions. If something isn't behaving as expected, double-check that the plugin is enabled in Settings, and consider exploring its settings page for customization and hotkeys. With the Advanced Tables plugin active, managing Markdown tables in Obsidian becomes smooth, clean, and surprisingly enjoyable.